In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text version 3. It's my favorite place to write code because I think the colors look a lot better than other IDEs. Plus, you can use any programming languages on Sublime. Now, note that there is a version 4 for this, but there is really no difference besides the font and the background colors, and I still think version 3 looks the best. To get started, first Google Sublime 3. Click on Sublime Text version 3. Again, click on Sublime Text 3.0. And download the portable version for Windows 64 bits. Go to the Downloads folder and extract the zip file. The destination will be the same folder as Sublime 3. Now run the Sublime Text program. And here you go. This is the Sublime Text Editor. The next step is to create a shortcut to the Sublime Text program on the desktop so you can access it easily. First, we copy the path to the Sublime Text program file. Right-click on the desktop, select New, Shortcut. Then paste the link right here. Or you can click on Browse and browse the location. Click Next and change the name of the shortcut as Sublime 3. Then click Finish. And that's basically it. Now you have Sublime 3 on the desktop. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as my second channel as seen on the right side of the screen, where I teach math and computer science. Thanks for watching.